Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter. Chapter number 7. And the name of the chapter is Subtracting Greater Numbers. So scholars, let's begin with the chapter now. So scholars, we will start from page number 115. See the example given here. Using what you know. Counting back to subtract. Suppose there were 18 animals watching the race and 3 animals left early. How many animals were left watching the race? As I told you, we always need to take the bigger number first. Always start with the bigger number. And in the previous chapter, because we were adding, so we had to count forward. But here, because we are subtracting, this is a subtracting chapter, so we need to count back. And whatever you'll get, wherever you will reach, will be the answer. Like here, we have to subtract 3 from 18. So, count back 3 numbers. 17, 16, 15. We reached 15, so 15 is the answer. Okay, so same way we have to solve these. Okay, solve by counting back. See the first one, 19 minus 2. So we have to count back 2 numbers, 18, 17. We counted back 2 numbers, we got 17. 17 is the answer. We have to just count back from the bigger number. Okay, now see the next one, 12 minus 3. Which is the bigger number? 12 is the bigger number. Now we have to count back 3 numbers to get the answer. So let's count 3 numbers back. 11, 10, 9. We got 9. 9 is a single digit number, so it will be written under the ones column like this. Okay. Now see the next one, 16 minus 2. So we have to first see the bigger number. 16 is the bigger number and we have to count back now 2 numbers. Okay, just before 16. 15, 14. So we got 14. Okay. Now see the next one, 11 minus 2. 11 is the bigger number. We have to just count back 2 numbers. So let's count that. 10, 9. We got 9. 9 is a single digit number. So we will write it here. Okay. Now see one more. 14 minus 1. 14 is a bigger number. So we have circled it. Now we have to just count back 1 number. That means the number just before 14. That is 13. 13 is the answer. See, this is the way how you can solve by counting back. See, like same we have done in the addition chapter. Only the difference is in addition we have counted forward to add. But here we are counting back to subtract. So I would like you all to try these 5 as homework. Okay. Now moving on to the next page. Page number 118. Subtraction using the number strip. Like we have done in previous chapter, we have had to add the numbers using the number strip. In same way, now we have to subtract the numbers using the number strip. But here, we will not go forward. We have to go back, whatever we have to subtract. Okay? So let's do these questions given here. Solve using the number strip given above. Okay, 34 minus 4. Always remember, start from the bigger number. 34 is the bigger number and we have to subtract 4 from that. So first we will mark 34 on the number strip and now we have to go back 4 places because we are subtracting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reached 30. 30 is the answer. So we will write it here 30, 30. Okay. Same way, see the next one. 26 minus 2. Which is the bigger number? First we will circle it. Okay. And we have to subtract 2 now. So first we will mark 26 on the number strip. Now starting from 26 we have to go back 2 places. 1, 2. We reached 24. So 24 is the answer. Okay. Now see one more. 41 minus 4. First we will circle the bigger number. And how much we have to subtract? 4. So first we will mark 41 on the number strip. And then we have to go back 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reached 37. That means 37 is the answer. So we will write here. Sorry, not here. 37 here. Clear? Now I would like you all to try this 3 as homework. Okay? See the next question. Again, it is also same. Solve using the number strip. What is the first one? 69 minus 8. First circle the bigger number. And now how much we have to subtract? 8. 69 we will first mark on the number strip. And now we have to go back 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We reach 61. So 61 is the answer. Okay? Same way, see the next one. 59 minus 3. Which is the bigger number? 59. And how much we have to subtract? 3. So first mark 59 on the number strip and go back 3 places. 1, 2, 3. We reached 56. Okay? This is the way how you use a number strip to subtract. Now see one more. 70 minus 4. First mark 70 because 70 is a bigger number on the number strip here. How much we have to go back? 4 places. 1 starting from 70. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 66. So write 66 here. See? This is the way I use number strip to subtract. So I would like you all to try this 3 as homework. Okay? Now we move on to the next page. Page number 120 and exercise 7a. Now we have to solve without using a number line or without counting forward. Or if you like, if you wish, you can use and we can subtract. Okay. So see the first one. 79 minus 4. So as I told you in the addition, always start from the ones place. This is the ones place and this is the tens. Always subtract from the, always add or subtract whatever you are doing, start from the ones. So what is 9 minus 4? We have already studied subtraction in chapter number 3. Yes. So what is 9 minus 4? 5. We will write here 5. And now step number 2, subtract the tens. But in the tens only 7 is there. So that 7 will come down. Okay. 75 is the answer. See the next one. 86 minus 3. Again, this is the ones column and this is the tens column. Always begin with the ones. What is given in ones? 6 minus 3. What is 6 minus 3? It will be 3 only. And now subtract the tens. But in the tens only 8 is there. Nothing else. To subtract that 8 will come down. Okay. We will bring 8 down. See the next one. First we will start from the ones side. Now 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? When we subtract 4 from 5, we will get 1. And now step number 2, subtract the tens. But in tens only 5 is there. Nothing else. That 5 we can bring down this way. Okay? See one more. Now we have to subtract 98 minus 5 we have to do. So first, always begin with the ones. 8 minus 5. How much? 3. And now step number 2. Subtract the tens. And in tens only 9 is there. That 9 will come down. Okay? This is the way how we can subtract also without using a number line or without counting back. So now I would like you all to try this 4 as homework. Okay? Moving on to the next question. Again, solve. Just now we studied how to subtract a 2-digit number, 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. Now here we will study how to subtract a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number only. Okay. So as I told you, always begin with the ones. What is given in the ones? 0 minus 0. So what is 0 minus 0? 0. Now step number 2, subtract the tens. What is given in tens? 7 minus 6. So when you subtract 6 from 7, you will get 1. Okay? So 10 is the answer. Now see the next one. Again, always begin with the one side. 0 minus 0, how much? 0 only. Now, step number 2, subtract the tens. What is 5 minus 2? 3. So 30 is the answer. See the next one. First we have to subtract ones and then we will subtract the tens. Okay, so what is 0 minus 0? 0 minus 0, answer will be 0 only. Step number 2, subtract the tens. 3 minus 1. What will be the answer? 2. Okay. See the next one now. First, we will subtract 0 minus 0. What is 0 minus 0? 0 only. So that 0 we will write here. And now, subtract the tens. So 9 minus 7 is how much? When you subtract 7 from 9, you will get 2. 20 is the answer. See, this is the way how you subtract a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number only. Okay? So now, I would like you all to try this 4 as homework. Clear? Moving on to the next question now. Same process will be the same. We have to subtract, we have to always begin with the ones side only. This is the ones, this is the ones place and this is the tens. We will start from here. What is 9 minus 5? When you subtract 5 from 9, you will get 4. Now step number 2, subtract the tens. 6 minus 2, you will get 4. So 44 is the answer. Okay? Now see the next one. 5 minus 3. First we have to do because this is the ones place. We will get 2. And now subtract the tens. Step number 2, subtract the tens. What is 7 minus 1? 6. Okay? See the next one now. This is the ones column and this is the tens. 7 minus 4. How much? It will be 3. And now step number 2. 6 minus 2. You will get 4. Subtraction we have already started in chapter number 3. Okay. Now see this one. Always begin with the ones column. Ones side. 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2? 1. Now step number 2. Subtract the tens. What is given in tens? 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2? You will get 6. Okay. So this is the way how we can subtract and without using a number line also. So I would like you all to try the remaining as homework. Okay? Now we move on to the next page. Page number 121. Problem solving. Party time. Let's read out the first question now. There are 28 pastries. 20 were eaten. How many are left? Okay, so we have to subtract. As I told you, always begin with the ones place. 8 minus 0 is how much? As I have already told you, when you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number, that is 8. Now step number 2, subtract the tens. 2 minus 2 is 0. So how many pastries are left? 8 pastries are left. Okay? See the next one now. Second one. There are 55 balloons and 15 burst. Out of that, how many are left? Let's find it out. First we will subtract the ones. 5 minus 5 is how much? When we subtract a number from same number, we'll get 0. And now step number 2, subtract the tens. So what is 5 minus 1? 4. So how many balloons are left? 40 balloons. You can write it here. Okay? See the third one now. There are 48 birthday caps. 21 get torn. How many are left? For that we have to subtract and find out. A bigger number should be on the top. And always begin with the ones. First we have to subtract 1 from 8. So what is 8 minus 1? 8 minus 1 is 7. And step number 2, subtract the tens. What is in tens place? What is given? 4 minus 2. So what will be the answer? 2 only. 27. So 27 caps are left. Okay. So now I would like you all to try this remaining 2 as homework. Read the question and then subtract. Moving on to the last page of this chapter, page number 122. Now, these questions are related to the airport. Read the stories given below. Decide whether to add or subtract. Put the sign in the box and solve. Now, we have to also find out whether we have to add or subtract, and then we have to put the sign, and then we have to do whatever is being told. Let's read out the first question. 76 people are waiting in line at the airport. 20 more people join them. More means, that means we have to add. How many people in all? And here the sign is already done put for us. So we have to simply add. See, we have to simply add. Always begin with the ones column. 6 plus 0 is how much? 6. Step number 2, add the tens. 7 plus 2 is how much? 9. So, 96 people in all in the line. Okay, let's see the next one, whether we have to add or we have to subtract. 84 bags on the luggage belt. 24 bags are picked. How many bags are left on the luggage belt? See, they are asking how many are left on the luggage belt. Left, that means we have to subtract. Because out of 84 bags on the luggage belt, 24 are picked. How many are left? That means we have to subtract. So we will put the subtraction sign and now subtract. Always begin with the ones place. 4 minus 4, 0. Step number 2, subtract the tens. 8 minus 2 is how much? 6. So that means 60 bags are left on the luggage belt. Okay. Now see the third one. 63 people are at the coffee shop. 11 people leave to catch a flight. How many are left in the coffee shop? Again, they are asking how many are left. That means we have to subtract. So here they have already mentioned that 63 people are at the coffee shop, and out of that 11 people leave to catch a flight. How many are left? So we have to subtract. Always start from the ones place. 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. And now step number 2, subtract the tens. 6 minus 1 is how much? 5. That means 52 people are left at the coffee shop. Okay? Now see the next one. Fourth one. 24 plane land. 24 planes land. 30 planes take off immediately. How many planes are still at the airport? Okay, they are saying that 24 planes land, and out of that 30 planes take off immediately. Now how many are still at the airport? So for that we have to subtract and find out. Okay, what is 4 minus 3? 1. And 2 minus 1? 1. So that means 11 planes are still at the airport. Okay, so this is the way how you have to read the question, and then you have to find out whether you have to add or subtract, and then you have to solve it. So I would like you all to try. This last one is homework. Okay, scholars. So here we come to the end of chapter number 7. The worksheet and assignment related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.